Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to you all on Upsex online sport program. Now, this is what we are going to study today. Your textbook name is Stepping Stone. Your chapter is Natural Environment, and your today's topic is land. Resources required are either it can be your laptop, computer, or your cell phone. Summary of the lesson is today we will discuss importance, resources, and the uses of water. So, before starting the lesson, we will share a thought of the day, and that is never give up. Today is hard, tomorrow will worse, but the day after tomorrow will be sunshine. So, keep on working hard, never give up. Our today's objective and the success criteria is today we will learn about sources, uses, and importance of water. And then you have been given a home assignment which you are going to solve. You have to write your name, date, class, section. Draw the lines with scale, draw the ending line, work very neatly. Now, here are some motivational questions for you people. I hope you know the answers very well. The first question is okay, what do living things need to stay alive? Everybody knows the answer? What do you need to stay alive? Yes, living things need air, food, and water. Very good. Then your next question is can we live without water? Yes, can you live? What is your answer? No, we cannot live without water. This comes your next question. Describe some uses of water. Everybody knows. Everyone use the water. How you use it in your daily life? Just recall and tell me the answer. Where you use the water? Yes, you use the water for washing, for cleaning, for bathing, for drinking, and there are a lot of uses of water. So, today's topic is water. Water is very important for life. All living things need water. In this picture, you can also see humans, animals and plants, they are all are taking water. So water is very important for the living things. Do you know where the water comes from? Yes, from where we get the water. Now just look at the pictures. These are some natural sources of water, and these are oceans, rivers, ponds, lakes and streams. All these are the natural. Okay, we are blessed with all these resources. Look at the picture. This is a picture of a beach. I think all of you have visited the beach. Have you tasted the water of the sea or the ocean? Hmm? Is it tasty to drink? No, nobody likes to drink it because it is salty and dirty. We cannot drink dirty or salty water from the ocean or sea. Dirty water will make us ill. We must boil and filter water before drinking it. So boiling and filtering help us to clean the water and it makes them able to drink. So, the next very important message for you people is always keep a water container covered. Okay? Now, this is a fact which I need to share with you people. You should also know about it. That there are many places in our country where people do not have clean water. It is a very sad fact. There is a water shortage in these areas. Example is third desert in Sin. It's very sad fact that too many people are living without clean water. We should think about them, and so we should not waste the water. Now, what we use water for? In the first motivational questions, we also discussed the uses of water. Here are some more uses: watering the garden, washing the hands, swimming, laundry, drinking water, cleaning dishes, and bathing. But remember, for all these things, never throw garbage in the rivers. Okay? We should not waste water. This is very important because I told you that there are too many people which are not having the clean water as we are enjoying. So, for this, some are rules to save the water. The very first rule is never waste water. This is very, very important, and you have to keep it in your mind while using the water. Turn off the tap after the use. Okay, turn off the tap. Repair leaking taps immediately because that wastes the water. Use less water in dry summer season. Do not throw anything into wells, tanks and rivers. Okay? Do not leave shower open for long period because this is the wastage of water. Okay? Now, just recap what we have learned today. All living things need water. Natural sources of water are oceans, rivers, lakes, springs, etc. We cannot drink dirty or salty water from the ocean or sea. Dirty water will make us ill. Never throw garbage in the rivers. We should not waste water. Yes. Now, this is your home assignment. I think you can easily do it if you have listened the tutorial carefully. The first blank is all living things need dash dash and dash to stay alive. We cannot drink dash or dash water from the ocean or sea. Dirty water will make us dash. We should not dash water. I hope you can very carefully, neatly draw the lines with scale, draw the ending lines, write day and date. Now, what was our today's message? Our today's message what was do not waste water. Think about the people who are having the shortage of water, who are not getting the clean water. I hope you will spread this message and you will also save the water. Thank you. Have a nice day.